I'm Zach with METALpro, and today I want to talk about a couple quick tips to better maintain your METALpro Ironworker. So tip number one is environment. You want to try to keep your machine as clean as possible. Now, I'm well aware we have machines all over the country on job sites. They're in the dust, they're in the dirt, and I know a shop environment is not clean. Trust me, we have it. We understand. The machines are made to work with metal. They're made to get dirty. They're made to get scratched up. But what we mean by this specifically is keep the debris out of the blade, any moving parts out of the blade, the pivot pin, the ram bushing, the punch station. Just make sure you're keeping any chips or dust or dirt as clear and clean as possible out of those areas. Tip number two is grease zerks. So we only have 2 grease zerks on these machines. There's one on the backside of the ram bushing here and one on the backside of the pivot pin. Just try to keep those greased and lubricated well. Tip number 3 is hydraulic oil. So we recommend to change your hydraulic oil every 2,000 hours or once a year, whichever comes first. You just want to make sure you have clean functioning oil. You don't want dirt and grime and crud getting in there, and it's going to clog up your filters. It's going to clog up your valve stem. You're going to have issues with stuff sticking. It's just bad practice. We have a lot of customers asking about tooling life. How do I increase my tooling life? Punch and dies are expensive. Shear blades are even more expensive. So how do we get the best use and longest lifespan out of that stuff? And for years we've just been recommending like a WD-40 or some sort of lubricant. We have recently came out with our own form of lubricant. It's called Blue Guard Tooling Lube. It comes in a blue dye color. It's an oil-based lubricant, so it adds a visual key so that you can see exactly where you're putting the lube on. It's oil versus water-based, so it's not a runny liquid that's gonna just like tip the part and it just runs right off. And then it's also cherry scented, so it smells a lot better than traditional lubricant or fluid or something like that. And we got this nice squeeze bottle. You can control the output of the oil. It has a nice tip, lets you get into the punch station area or into the shear area. It's no spill, no tip. You have to squeeze it to get Blue Guard to come out. So that's a great option as well to increase longevity on your tooling. So like always, if you got any other questions for us or about your METALpro machines, please reach out to a US dealer or to us directly, and we'd be happy to help you with any maintenance questions or replacement parts.